Data engineer versus AI engineer. My day is pipelines and reliability. Ingest, transform, model, validate. If data breaks, everything downstream breaks. My day is models in production. RAG system, agents, evaluations. If the model is slow, wrong, or unsafe, I need to fix it. I build the data foundations, clean tables that analytics, machine learning, and product teams can trust. I build AI-powered features, chat, search, co-pilots, automations. What users touch is usually my responsibility. SQL all day, Python for pipelines, Scala or Java for Spark-heavy systems. Python for model workflows, TypeScript or JavaScript for APIs, some SQL but it's not the core skill. Snowflake, BigQuery, Redshift, dbt for transformations, Airflow or Dagster for orchestrations, Kafka or PubSub for streaming, Databricks or Spark for large-scale processing, Monte Carlo or BigEye for data quality. Models via OpenAI, Anthropic, Gemini or other open source models, agent frameworks like LangChain, LangGraph, CrewAI, AutoGen, vector databases like Pinecone, Viviat, Milvus, vector search databases and inference platforms like Fireworks AI, Vertex AI or custom GPU endpoints. Evaluation and monitoring with tools like Ragas, Langsmith or weights and biases, guardrails and observability using custom evals plus tracing and cost monitoring. In New York City and San Francisco, most data engineers earn between 140,000 to 200,000 base and 170 to 240 total comp depending on the company and seniority. AI engineers typically earn more. In New York City and San Francisco, expect between 160K to 230K base and 200K to 300K total comp, especially in AI first companies with equity. Choose if you're interested in data and want to build scalable data systems. Choose if you like AI and want to actually work with AI models.